Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, Indian Weavers. The meaning of Indian weavers: Indian means the people who live in India. Weavers means the person who stitch a cloth. Okay, so Indian जो इंडिया में रहते हैं, भारतीय, and weavers जो कपड़े सिलते हैं. Okay, so let's start. Let's read a poem on weavers. Now we are going to read a poem on weavers which has been written by Sarojini Naidu. First, I'll tell you something about the poem. The poem describes the different stages of human life. This poem describes different stages of life, that is birth, marriage and death. There are 3 stages of human life which has been described by Sarojini Naidu in this poem. इस पोएम में हमें सरोजनी नायडू ने हमारी लाइफ के, ह्यूमन लाइफ के 3 स्टेजेस को डिस्क्राइब किया है, उन्हें बताया है. In another way, it tells about the life cycle of a human being, means childhood, youth and old age. अगर हम इसे दूसरी लैंग्वेज में बोलें तो वो स्टेजेस कौन सी हैं? चाइल्डहुड, फर्स्ट चाइल्डहुड, सेकेंड youth, third old age. Okay, the test asks 3 questions to weavers and their answers are related to life. In this poem, the poetess asked some questions to weavers. poetess ने weavers से कुछ questions पूछे हैं और उनके जो answers है वो लाइफ से रिलेट करते हैं, हमारी लाइफ से रिलेट करते हैं. Okay, so let's start. Weavers weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of helicon wild, we weave the robes of a newborn child. Here, in these lines, poet wants to describe what? Let's see. The poetess says that weavers started their work in early morning and they make bright garments in blue color as the wings of the kingfisher. Okay, gay means bright and attractive. Helicon means kingfisher, Asian kingfisher. So here weavers are weaving something very bright and attractive which looks like the wings of the kingfisher. We weave the robes of a newborn child means when the poetess asks this question, weavers tell that they are weaving the garment of a newborn child. It relates to the childhood of a person. The childhood is more attractive like blue color. Means when poet is asking to weaver what you are weaving, then poet is saying I am weaving a garment so gay. Blue as the wing of a helicon wild means the garment is so bright, so attractive and which looks like the wing of kingfisher. So here poet is asking कि why you are weaving these type of clothes, these bright and attractive clothes. So here this weaver is saying we are weaving the robes of a newborn child. Robes means clothes. Robes means clothes. So here weavers are weaving robes of a newborn child because the newborn child's clothes are bright in color. Okay, moving to next paragraph. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage wheels of a queen. Now Sarojini Naidu, means the poet, is asking to the weavers, what are you weaving? Now why do you weave a garment so bright? Now why are you weaving the garment that is looking so bright? कि आप इस टाइम पे इतने अट्रैक्टिव, इतने जो ब्राइट कलर के गारमेंट्स हैं वो क्यों बना रहे हैं? लाइक द प्लम्स ऑफ अ पीकॉक, पर्पल एंड ग्रीन, विच आर लुकिंग लाइक द प्लम्स ऑफ द पीकॉक. प्लम्स मीन्स लार्ज फेदर्स, मतलब ऐसे कपड़े बना रहे हैं जो कि पीकॉक के फेदर्स की तरह लग रहे हैं, पर्पल एंड ग्रीन. वी वीव द मैरिज व्हील्स ऑफ अ क्वीन. नाउ वीवर्स, व्हाट वीवर्स आर आंसरिंग दैट दे आर वीविंग द क्लोथ्स ऑफ अ क्वीन. They are weaving the clothes of a queen. Clothes here, wheels means a cloth worn by women to cover the face or head, means दुपट्टा जो ऊपर से, सर के ऊपर से चुन्नी ली जाती है उसको सिल रहे हैं कौन? वीवर्स. एंड दैट दुपट्टा लुक्स लाइक पर्पल एंड ग्रीन एंड वेरी ब्राइट, दैट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक द प्लम ऑफ अ पीकॉक, की पीकॉक के फेदर्स की तरह लग रहे हैं. ओके, सो मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ एंड नेक्स्ट पेज. So we have come to next page and we are starting in the last paragraph of this chapter. Weavers weaving solemn and still. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? Now the poet is asking that when weavers are weaving in the moonlight night, means they are still weaving in the night also. So poet is asking, what do you weave in this moonlight chill? That पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू आस्क कि इतनी रात में आप लोग क्या सिल रहे हैं और इतना शांत होके एकदम एकदम चुप होके सीरियस होके. सोलेम मीन्स सीरियस, इतना सीरियस होके, स्टिल मीन्स शांत होके क्या सिल रहे हैं. वाइट एज अ फेदर एंड वाइट एज क्लाउड. नाउ वॉट, जो ये सिल रहे हैं आप, ये एकदम वाइट है फेदर की तरह, पंख की तरह, और वाइट है क्लाउड की तरह. वॉट इज़ दिस? वी वीव अ फ्यूनरल शाउड. यहाँ पर वीवर ने क्या आंसर किया कि दे आर वीविंग अ डेड मैन्स फ्यूनरल श्राउड, दैट दे बिकम वेरी सैड and serious and calm while weaving this because the garment is of white color and they are weaving the clothes of a dead man's funeral shroud. इसका मतलब जब shroud क्या होता है, जब कोई मर जाता है, किसी की डेथ हो जाती है, तो उसके ऊपर जो वाइट कपड़ा ऊपर से कवर किया जाता है उसे श्राउड बोलते हैं. तो किसी के डेथ का कपड़ा बनाने के लिए इसी वजह से वो थोड़ा सा दुखी हैं ये बनाते वक्त. So that is why the weaver is still and serious and weaving the cloth of that dead man's funeral, कि वो dead man का funeral shroud बना रहे हैं. So after reading these 3 paragraphs, we have read 3 stages of life. What was the first stage? Childhood. What was the second stage? Youth. What was the third stage? Death, means old age. First stage, if we take as childhood, means birth. What was woven by the weavers in the first stage? The clothes of a child. In the second stage, the cloth of the queen. And in the third stage, the cloth for the funeral shroud. So we have completed the poem. Hope you have understood. For more understanding, please watch this video once or twice and try to find out the question and answers. Okay. Thank you.